What is passive income? Passive income is money you earn continuously after putting in upfront effort or creating a system that generates revenue without requiring your constant presence. Unlike your day job where you exchange time for money, passive income allows you to make money even when you're sleeping, traveling, or focusing on other projects. Why is passive income important? The main benefit of passive income is financial freedom. It can supplement your salary or even replace it entirely over time. It provides security during tough times, helps you build wealth faster, and lets you pursue what truly excites you rather than working just to pay bills. Common misconceptions about passive income. I need money to start. While some passive income ideas require capital, many do not. Your time and skills are valuable currencies. It's easy and quick. Passive income requires upfront effort, learning, and patience. Only experts or influencers can do it. Anyone can start with the right guidance and mindset. The power of starting. $0 starting without money means investing time and effort first. You use free platforms, free tools, and organic promotion strategies to build your first streams. This approach teaches discipline, creativity, and perseverance. Overview of the 3 ideas today. You focus on affiliate marketing, promoting products, and earning commissions with no upfront cost. Creating and monetizing digital content, making ebooks, courses, or printables using free tools and selling on free platforms. Leveraging peer-to-peer lending and crowdsourcing, using time and skills to build income streams with zero money upfront. Chapter 1. Affiliate marketing, promote and earn without spending a dime. 1.1. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you promote someone else's product or service. When someone buys through your referral link, you earn a commission, a percentage of the sale. It's like being a digital salesperson without managing inventory, customer support, or shipping. Examples. Amazon associates earn up to 10% on millions of products. ClickBank, popular for digital products and courses. ShareSell offers thousands of merchant programs. Affiliate marketing spans many niches: tech gadgets, health, finance, beauty, software, education, and more. 1.2 How to start affiliate marketing with $0. Step 1. Sign up for affiliate programs. Visit websites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareSell. Fill out a simple form, provide your website or social media handle, can be free platforms, and get your unique affiliate links. Step 2. Create a platform to promote links. Free blogging platforms. Medium.com, WordPress.com, Blogger.com allow you to create content without paying for hosting or domain. Social media. Use Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, all free to start posting content. Email marketing. Build an email list with free tools like MailChimp up to 2,000 subscribers, or Substack to send newsletters. 1.3 Strategies to promote affiliate links without spending money. Content creation. Write blog posts reviewing or explaining products, or create YouTube videos demonstrating them. SEO basics. Learn keyword research using free tools like Ubersuggest. Optimize titles and descriptions to rank in Google search. Visuals. Use free Canva templates to design appealing images for social media posts or blog headers. Engagement. Join relevant forums, Reddit, Facebook groups, and answer questions honestly, including affiliate links where allowed. Consistency. Post regularly to build audience trust and traffic. 1.4 Tips to maximize affiliate earnings. Choose products with high commissions. Digital products often pay 30 to 50%. Focus on value. Write honest reviews. Compare products. Share pros and cons. Build authority. Stick to a niche you understand or are passionate about. Track your results. Use tools like Google Analytics or affiliate dashboards to see which links perform best and optimize accordingly. 1.5 Case studies and success stories. Many bloggers and YouTubers started with zero investment and now earn thousands monthly by promoting Amazon products or digital courses. For example, Michelle from a gardening blog began sharing affiliate links to tools she uses and now makes $2,000 per month. Key takeaway: patience, learning SEO, and consistent content creation pays off. 1.6 Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. Avoid spamming links. Focus on providing real value to build trust. Don't expect instant income. It takes time for traffic and sales to grow. Beware of scams. Stick to reputable affiliate programs with clear policies. 1.7 Tools and resources for affiliate. Marketers on a budget. Keyword research. Ubersuggest. Google Keyword Planner. Content writing. Grammarly. Hemingway Editor Design. Canva Analytics. Google Analytics. Video editing. DaVinci Resolve. Free. iMovie Mac. Chapter 2. Creating and monetizing digital content. Turn your skills into income. 2.1 The rise of digital content as passive income. Digital content includes ebooks, online courses, printable templates, podcasts, and more. You create once and sell repeatedly without additional production costs. The internet and global marketplaces make selling digital products easy and cost-free. Upfront. 2.2 How to create digital content without spending money. Ebooks and guides. Use 8 Google Docs or LibreOffice too, right? Cover topics you know well, or research trending niches. Health, productivity, self-help. Online courses. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable have free plans. Record lessons using your phone or free software like OBS Studio. Printables, design planners, worksheets, or art prints with Canva's free version. Casts, record using free tools like Audacity or Anchor, which also distributes your podcast for free. 2.3 Platforms to sell or distribute your digital products for free. Amazon, Kindle Direct Publishing, publish ebooks for free, get royalties on each sale. Udemy Skillshare, upload courses with no upfront fee, share revenue when students enroll. Etsy, list printables or digital downloads with low fees only on sale. Anchor, podcast hosting and monetization at no cost. 2.4 Marketing your digital content without paid ads. Social media, share snippets, teasers, and testimonials on Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. Collaborations, partner with influencers or bloggers to reach wider audiences. Email marketing, build a list using free tiers and send content updates and offers. SEO, optimize your product descriptions and blog posts to attract organic traffic. 2.5 Scaling up and automating your digital business. Repurpose content, turn ebook chapters into blog posts or podcast episodes. Automate marketing, use free Zapier or IFTTT integrations to schedule posts and emails. Outsource, once you earn, reinvest small amounts to hire freelancers for graphic design or editing. 2.6 Success stories of zero-cost digital entrepreneurs. John created a free self-help ebook and sold 100 copies in 3 months, earning passive royalties. Sarah launched a free beginner's Excel course on Udemy, which grew to thousands of students and a steady income stream. 2.7 Challenges and how to stay motivated. Slow initial sales are normal. Focus on improving your content. Avoid burnout by setting manageable goals. Join creator communities for support and inspiration. Chapter 3 Leveraging your time with peer-to-peer lending and crowdsourcing. Platforms. 3.1 Understanding peer-to-peer lending and crowdsourcing. P2P lending. You lend money directly to borrowers via online platforms, earning interest. Crowdsourcing. You perform small online tasks or contribute ideas to projects that pay for your time and skills. 3.2 Starting P2P lending without initial money. Is it possible? Some platforms offer referral bonuses which can be used as initial capital. You can bootstrap funds by completing microtasks on crowdsourcing platforms before investing. Lending usually requires money, but with smart strategies, you can build capital first. 3.3 Crowdsourcing and microtasking for passive income platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Clickworker pay for completing simple tasks, data entry, surveys, tagging. While not fully passive, you can build steady income without investment. Use free task management tools Trello, Google Sheets to track work efficiently. 3. Tordio for combining crowdsourcing with affiliate marketing or content creation. Use microtask earnings to buy a domain or pay for marketing tools later. Promote affiliate links within task forums or social media communities you join. Build a personal brand around your skills to attract better crowdsourcing gigs. 3.5. Risks and rewards. Be aware of platform fees and withdrawal limits. Never pay upfront for work. Avoid scams. Manage taxes and keep records of income. 3.6 Real-life examples of people building income using these methods. Anna started doing surveys on Swagbucks and used earnings to fund a blog that later made affiliate income. Mike combined freelancing on Upwork with P2P lending referrals to create multiple income streams. Conclusion. Recap. We covered 3 passive income ideas that require zero upfront investment: affiliate marketing, promote and earn commissions; digital content creation, sell ebooks, courses, printables; leveraging time on P2P lending and crowdsourcing platforms. Mindset matters. Success requires patience, consistency, and willingness to learn. Start today. Pick one idea, take your first step, and commit to growing it. Passive income can transform your life. Financial security, freedom, and happiness are within your reach.